Hello world and hello CS50. My name is Davey Xu, that's Daveyxu. That's also my edX username. My GitHub is Davey-QIN. I'm in Latham, New York. Today is April 18th, and my final project is a daily habit tracker that uses primarily Python and SQL. So the base of this program is it just has two tables, one called habits, which is just going to include the name of our habit, another called logs, which has a foreign key that references the primary key, our ID, in the habits table. And it's just going to include a day, which is going to calculate our streak for how many times we've done that habit. So right now, if I hit ls, we see there's no database. But as soon as I run the program, even though nothing's really happened, when we hit ls, now we see this habits.db, this database in here. Well, it's empty right now. So we can add one with add. And let's just say like juggling. And now if I run this by itself, we now see juggling in as one of our habits. And this is also where we're going to be able to log our habits, the ones we've completed at the end of the day. I'll just hit 0 for now, for none. Let's just add a few more habits, to say like guitar, let's say like coding. And now once again, if I run this project, we now see all three of our habits. And it'll prompt me, what did you complete today? If I type in some, incorrect value like 4, it'll just tell me 4 is not a valid habit number. So let's give it some proper input now. Let's say 1 and 3. It'll tell me juggling, which was 1, and coding, which was 3, have now been logged for today. If I want to see all my stats, I can use simply stats. And by default, it'll give me the past 7 days. It'll tell me my best streak, what I've done the past 7 days, my completion rate. I can also specify like -- days. This is using argparse, as we can see down here. And I can give it a number like 30, or I can just say all. Now, if I want to delete a habit, I will use delete. And again, I can specify 0 to just cancel. If I give it some completely incorrect value like 4, it won't do it. But for now, let's just give it a proper value like 2, and it'll prompt me, and I can say yes. And now if I run it by itself, we now see guitar is missing. And it is worth mentioning that in this short span I have to demonstrate, I can't obviously show the progression of days, but it uses the date and time delta from the datetime module library to calculate our streak. And that's all. Thank you.